Ciao, this is Luca, and today I want to talk to you about the sample kit for the Omni Cloud series. What you're going to find inside the Omni sample kit is a welcome card and a brochure with all the information that you need about the Omni family. In the first page, you will find the problems and the solution that we found with our Omni family. Then you will have a nice application of an open office with the problem that usually open office have and the solution the Omni offer. Also, there is here three little numbers, the frequencies that we're trying to fix and the reverberation time that we usually achieve in OpenOffice and what we will achieve with Omni. The same thing is going to be for conference room, for restaurants, and aviation. Also, you will have a configuration for the Omni, so all the different shapes it comes in and the different colors. In the next page, you will have the idea of the Omni, so the lighting and speaker together, plus a little bit of data with the acoustic properties of the material. Inside the box, you find also a fabric sample kit with all the different colors that we offer. Of course, these are not all the colors that we offer because we're able to do custom colors for matching wherever you have in your environment. But this is a sample with 20 different colors of brush flannel, our standard fabric. We also have a little piece of acoustic material. This side, the back, is a little bit harder because it's chemically treated, so we're able to work on it and put our lighting. Here on the box, you also have a QR code, so you will be able to scan it and have in the digital version of the brochure and being able to share with wherever you want. Thank you for your time today. If you want to have a webinar or a call and talk a little bit more about the Omni family, please reach out to me at the email or the phone. And thank you again.